This is Michelle from coastalartdesigns.com. I'm doing my third video now. I wanted to do a video on Squarespace, and it's about translating the different languages because you want a multilingual site, right? I was looking at my stats on my old Blogger account, and I have the Philippines, United Kingdom, Germany, Russia, all those that are my top 5 high traffic. And I was reading in the forums, countless places, to add a multilingual site, and all they gave me the answer was to this company that's multilingualizer, and it costs $79 to $499 of a one-time fee to have it added to your website, and I just about floored it. So I did some research, and I discovered. Actually, let me tell you, I was cheating. I was going on my old Blogger account because it's still up, but it's not public. It's not public. But anyways, I was going to try to get the code from from the Blogger template and use it for my site to have the translation button. Well, turns out you don't have to go that way. Guess what? There is such an easy way to find it, and I'm going to show you how. Squarespace does have a use Google Translation with Squarespace. Now, I don't know why they didn't tell anybody about this, but you go to Google Translate, and you don't go to Get Started. You go to About Google. Wait, that was next. Hold on. I missed a step. I'm going to show you there's a step I missed. Okay, this is what you do, and it has all this right here. Then you go to About Google Translation, and you go to Tools. How easy is that so far? Well, then you go Free Website Translator. I want one. Get started. And you add your website. That's all you do. Add your website, and then you go Next, and it goes to plug in. Well, I don't know if I can add my site again, but let's just see if it works out that way. coastalartdesigns.com. Okay, so Next. And then it says select. You get to choose how you want it designed, okay? And I like it that way. And then you get code. You copy this. Easy peasy, right? That is easy peasy. Then you're done right there. That's it. You're done right there. All you have to do is go to your CoStar Designs, your website actually, not my website, and go to Settings, Advanced, Advanced, and Code Injection. And I entered mine in the header because that's what I wanted it on I wanted it on the top because people that are wanting to go to a site that they can translate to their country or their own language wouldn't be able to see it unless they scroll down. And to me, that would be they probably would leave the site because they probably would think that there's no translation at all. So that's why I put it at the top. And you could do it in each page you want. You know, just use the advanced section of the page or anything like that. But I have it on every single page. I have it on my portfolio. It's there. They can translate that. I want it everywhere because, like I said, I'm losing traffic because I can't give my customers or readers their language that they have. So this is what I did, and so I pasted to I got it all done. It's free. There's nothing you have to do. You don't have to pay for anything. It is completely free. How cool is that? Now, I want to know if anybody else knew about this, and if they did, can you comment and tell me, did you write a post about it, or how did you find out? Because I'd be curious, because I went into the forums, actually, and I looked at the topic. There's 157 questions, and not one had this topic. They all said to go to the multilingualizer site to pay for it to be added to your website. So please comment and let me know, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel and subscribe to my newsletter. Thank you.